What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion, and we have the Motomillion Tuono V4 1100 Factory Ultra Gold in its finished form right here. And it's right here under the spotlight because today is the day that we do the total cost of what this beautiful motorcycle costs. Don't forget, the total cost does not include any labor associated with this build. So keep that in mind. It's just the cost of the motorcycle that we're going to tally up at the end. And then it's also the price of every single part that we added on to this amazing motorcycle. Grab your calculators and let's start off. And we're going to start off with the front end of this motorcycle. Right down here, the Lightech front and rear axle sliders, the Pro-Tie titanium front axle pinch bolts, Pro-Tie titanium caliper bolts, DBK special parts caliper spacers, the Starbucks bleeder valves, DH83 radiator oil cooler guards, the Pro-Tie titanium front rotor bolts, Brembo T-drive rotors, full 6 carbon fiber front fender, the Core Moto Apex 6 wheels with the ceramic bearings, excluding the price that it took to paint it, the front turn signal block-off plates, beautiful WRS windscreen. On our handlebars, we have our CRG Aero mirrors, Pro Grip 717 grips, DBK front master cylinder clamp, Rizoma reservoir kit with our Tygon brake fluid hose, Starbucks bleeder valve, TWM brake and clutch levers, and our beloved TWM fuel cap. Carbon fiber frame cover, excluding the price of the sticker we have here. Carbon fiber tank side panels. Moto custom seat cover. Carbon fiber passenger tail cover. NRC fender eliminator. The Lightech track system rear sets. Full 6 carbon fiber rear fender. The very loud SC Project CRT slip-on exhaust. Carbon fiber swing arm covers, a Mesco rear underslung caliper bracket, Pro-Tie titanium caliper bolts, the ultralight rear rotor, Pro-Tie titanium rear rotor bolts, TWM chain adjusters. And let's go ahead and flip this bike around. In front, we have the Rizoma front sprocket cover, Cordona quick shifter, the Gillies tooling shifter holder, which makes this bike shift super nicely, the Superlight 520 conversion kit, EK3D chain in black and gold, the Pro-Tie titanium sprocket nuts, and the final parts for this build are under the tank where we cannot see them, but it's the Gabro Racing Stage 3 Airbox and the Gabro Racing Up Map, which brings the total for this build in terms of parts to $15,027.25. And let's flip this bike around before we admire its beauty for one last time and add the price of the bike to our total build. And finally, when we add the price of our Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory in Ultra Gold, the total of this build comes out to $34,626.25. I want to remind you that this total does not include any of the taxes or fees associated with purchasing this motorcycle. It does not include any of the paint work like the wheels or the lower belly panel fairings, nor does it include any of the labor costs associated with building this motorcycle. And that was pretty much it for our Tuono V4 1100 Factory build and how much it cost. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.